According to your learning standards, the standard for point of view actually states, analyze how differences in the point of view of the characters and the audience or reader create such effects as suspense or humor. So how do we break that down a little bit? What does point of view actually mean? Point of view means that there are different ways to understand a conflict from different perspectives or different ways of telling the story. What would this typically look like? It would look like listening and relating to each side of the story and knowing what each side of the conflict actually is. So let's take something that we're pretty familiar with, say The Outsiders. The Outsiders, you see a point of view primarily of Pony Boy and the other people that he associates with as his friends. But what if somebody else told that story? What if it was told from the other side of the perspectives? Kids that were not the greasers. That would probably be a pretty different story. And it would probably make Pony Boy and others maybe not so real and not so family-like. And it might impact the way that the story was actually told. Point of view actually just directly talks about who is actually telling the story. Your standard wants you to understand, do you recognize the differences between who's telling the story and how that could greatly impact how you process the text.